Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Uber, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you change your Uber password? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. And it's all handled here in the Uber app. It's this black and white one right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open my Uber app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Uber app and this is the home screen. One thing I want to let you know is this video is about changing your password on Uber. It is not resetting your password. If you forgot your password and you're locked out, be sure to go back and watch my other video on how to reset your Uber password. So if you're simply just changing the password, maybe because someone else has access to your account, or maybe you were hacked or something along those lines, this is what you want to do is you want to click right here on this top left section. There's three little horizontal lines. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, once you click there, then you're going to see your rating and then also your profile icon here on the top left. And if you want to change your password on Uber, you want to go ahead and click onto your profile icon. It's an image inside the circle on the top left of the screen. So I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, once you click there, you're going to get this screen that shows your profile picture, your first name, your last name, phone number, and email. But if you want to change the password on your Uber account, you want to click on this line right here called password. It has a little arrow next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next, when you're changing your Uber password, you do need to verify your old password. So again, this video is simply to change your password, not to reset your password. Go back and watch my other video if that's what you're trying to do. On this one, I'm going to go ahead and enter my current password now. Okay, once you've entered in your password, you want to click verify. I'm going to click there now. Okay, now you're given the option to enter a new password. And just know that your password has to be at least 8 characters long and also has to include numbers and symbols. So I'm going to go ahead and enter one in now. Okay, so I entered in my new password. I'm going to click update password now. Okay guys, I went ahead and entered in my new password and then it looks like Uber immediately logged me out. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number in now to log back in. Okay, I put my phone number in. It sent me this code right here. I'm going to enter that code in now. Okay guys, and it logged me in immediately. So now my password has changed. So if I'm going to be logging into Uber on a desktop or on a laptop, I will want to use my new password, not the old password. So there you have it guys. That is how you can change your password on Uber. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.